Good morning, everyone. Global market update. So most Asian stocks fell on Monday, with Chinese markets leading losses and persistent concerns over a trade war with the West, while anticipating of more signals on interest rates also kept markets on edge. Oil prices moved sideways in Asian trade on Monday as traders watched for the impact of Tropical Storm Beryl on oil productions in the Gulf of Mexico, while focus also remained on more signs of strong summer demand. Bitcoin fell sharply to $54,000 in early Asian trade on Monday, reversing a modest rebound seen over the weekend and hitting an over 4 month low on concerns over a flood of token supply from a defunct crypto exchange Mt. Gox. Wallets associated with the exchange were seen mobilizing about $9 billion worth of Bitcoin earlier this year that caused this sharp decline in Bitcoin. So these are the tokens that were hacked in the early 2014, which are hacked back, and they are redistributing those tokens. That's what the Mt. Gox claim, and that made the Bitcoin to fall. Average base pay for Japanese workers rose in May at its fastest pace in 31 years. Data showed on Monday, a sign that bumper pay hikes offered by companies in annual wage negotiations are gradually being passed on to households. The euro slipped, and French bond futures fell after French election pointed to a hung parliament, casting fresh uncertainty over markets as a period of gridlock looms. So this is about the global update. Indian market update. Previous trading session on Friday, Nifty closed at 21.70 points positive. So for today, this resistance is at 24,373 or 400, followed by 24,440 or 500 level. On the downside, we can expect a support at 24,135 level, followed by 24,000 level. So let's quickly look at the option chain data also. So support still remains to be at for 24,000 level, where an intermittent support could be seen at 24,200. Resistance is at 24,500. So market is still range bound between 24,000 to 24,500 level. We have seen quite a decent decline in Bank Nifty for 443.35 points, which is minus 0.83%. So for today, the resistance could be at 53,000 level, followed by 53,360 or 400 level. On the downside, we can expect a support at 52,200, followed by 51,988 or 52,000 level. Looking at the option chain for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty support is still at 52,000, which is intact, but we can see an intermediate support at 52,500, and resistance is still at 53,000 level. So Bank Nifty also we are expecting to hover between 52,000 to 53,000 range. Midcap did pretty well. It continued to rally, and it rallied about 470.85 points. So that kept most of the portfolios green, even though Nifty there was a kind of a short corrections or sideways kind of a movement. In Bank Nifty also fell substantially, but that didn't impact majority of the portfolio due to mid cap keeping it high. So for today, mid cap index resistance could be at 56,400, followed by 57,600, 57,400 and 57,600 level. On the downside, we can expect 56,793 or 56,800, followed by 56,500 level as resistance. Small caps also did fairly well. It rallied for about 148.25 points. For today, the resistance could be at a 19,000 level. And on the downside, we are expecting it to take a support at 18,840 or 18,750 level. So sectoral data, as we have been seeing from past 1 or 2 weeks, there are a lot of opportunities in multiple sectors. So I'll just go through some of those: construction materials, plastic products, FMCG goods, information technology, logistics, retailing, photographic products, infrastructure, electricals, chemicals, agriculture, crude oil, textile, automobile ancillaries, healthcare, iron, steel, finance, mining, media, entertainment, realty, banking, power, alcohol, gas, and transmission. So pretty much almost every sector has opportunities now. So let's look at the deliveries for short-term opportunities. So what we have seen good delivery at is at infrastructure, capital goods, shipbuilding continues to show momentum. Then the next sector is textile, realty, healthcare, crude oil, consumer durables, iron and steel, hospitality, ferromanganese, finance. So a lot of sectors has seen good delivery. So we can expect the mid cap sector still to be up today as well. So if we are looking at short term opportunities, these are the sectors that one can look into. So as far as baskets are concerned, for this week, till we see some kind of a base formed and some consolidation in among the sectors, will not recommend any new basket as of now. So we'll continue to the same baskets that we have recommended previous week. So the baskets are best large cap stock basket, expected returns 10%, best auto stock basket, expected returns 10%, best private bank stocks, expected returns 10%. As far as reviews concerned, so most of the baskets have reached target or near target. So you'd recommend, people, if on those who are invested, probably they can think of some profit booking.